Okay, so here we have this tree. So this we call lipstick trees, and here we call this a lipstick tree because long time ago our grandmom, they were using this as a lipstick. For example, if they want to go to the wedding ceremony or to the night party, they had no shop to buy lipstick, so we're using it as a lipstick. And the fruit look like lychee, but if you open inside, there is only there is a lot of red seeds, not like lychee, because lychee, if you open inside, there are a lot of red seeds. So you open inside and then you crush the seed and then you can find the color. But sometimes here we use this as the spice, but only for the food coloring, not for tasting. So we just take this and then we dry. After dry, we mash and then we put in tandoori masala or in a common curry sauce. So we call lipstick fruit. And here we have another plant here. So these are ginger, and normally here we don't use the leaf from the ginger, we use the root. So the ginger root, we use this for the meat tenderizer, and sometimes here we can use this for making tea, which we call ginger tea. And the ginger tea is good for the healthy. And for the meat tenderizer, we take ginger, pepper, cumin with garlic and onion. We mash together and then we put in the meat. We leave it for a few minutes and then we boil the meat. The meat becomes soft and tastes quickly. So, and also we make tea from the ginger, and we use this as the medicine for the sea sickness. And we have another tree here. So this we call clove tree, and here we sometimes use this as the medicine for the toothache. For example, if we have a toothache problem, we take cloves, dry. After dry, we make powder, and then we use the powder. The powder is good for the toothache problems, and sometimes we use this as a medicine for the stomach problem. If you have a stomach problem, we make like tea, and then you drink. After drinking, it's good for the stomach problems. And during the Christmas, our grandmom or our mom, they use this like decoration. They take cloves, stick this as the orange or lime, and then they put inside. It's good for smell and good for keep away flies. And we have another tree here. This is a nutmeg tree. So the nutmeg here, we use it for the baking, mashed potatoes, and sometimes our sisters, they use this, for example, if they want to go to the wedding ceremony or to the night party, they take this before they go, they dry the powder, and then they put in the porridge, boil together the porridge, and then they drink. After drink, when they go there, they can sing, dance, and do whatever they want in the public area without shy. And we have another tree here. So this is the cinnamon trees. Or sometimes here we call this the queen of the spices because we use everything from the cinnamon trees. We use leaf, bark, and the root. The cinnamon leaf we use this for tea, milk, porridge, and other dishes. But the cinnamon bark we use this for different dishes, like pilau, milk, tea, and other dishes. But before we use the bark, after take off, we dry. After dry, it's raw. Then we can use the raw ones here. And the root of the cinnamon, we don't use this as a spice. We use this as a medicine for the flu. For example, if we have a flu, we take cinnamon root and then we boil it. After boiling, we take towel, we recover like this, and then we inhale. Because if you smell the root of the cinnamon, there are the smell like big pepper or eucalyptus. So the more you boil it, the more you get the smell. And also it's good for opening the chest. And we have these small plants. So these are turmeric. And here we use the root from this turmeric. So the turmeric root, we use this for the food coloring. And our mom, they use this instead of the saffron. For example, if they don't have money to buy saffron, they take the root of the cinnamon, the root of the turmeric, and they make powder, and then they put to their dishes for the nice coloring. Or sometimes here, our sisters, if they want to get married, before they get married, they take fresh turmeric. They make powder and then they mix with the lemon juice or fresh eggs, and then they put on the face. They do like face mask. It's good for pimples or acne. But for a few days, the face will be yellow because it is stayed. So after 2 weeks or 1 week and a half, and then the yellow color is gone with the pimples together. And we make soap and cream and other things from the turmeric. But the turmeric soap doesn't make you yellow. And we have these plants which we call aloe vera. But aloe vera here, we can use this as the medicine for the sunburn, And we make a cream soaps from aloe vera. The aloe vera soap is good for the skin. But sometimes here, there are some people who have a big tummy. For example, if they have a big tummy, they take a cut small piece and they put in the water. After that, they drink. After drink, it's good for the tummy because it's good for digestion. So this is aloe vera. So, and the lemongrass, we can use this for making oil and soap. The lemongrass oil is good for massage or muscle repellents. Yes. So, for example, if you use lemongrass oil, the muscles play harder in it because they don't have smells of lemongrass. And the soap is good for the skin. But in Thailand, they make a citronelle candle. In France, sorry, they make citronelle candle for the muscle repellent. But in Thailand, they use it for the soup, curry, or other dishes. But not the leaf, they use the stem.
Jambo, jambo, jambo. Jambo, jambo, jambo. Nakaribishwa Zanzibar yetu, hakuna matata, hakuna matata, hakuna matata, hakuna matata. We jambo bwana, habari gani? Mzuri sana.
Cola. The taste is like Coca-Cola because it's too old. It's not young. The young one is the water is sweet, but this one is like very strong. Yeah, you have.
Oh, okay. Yeah.